Number 9, will you use the fundamental theorem of calculus part 2. We're taking the derivative of this definite integral where the upper limit is a function of x. And it tells us that the derivative with respect to x of this definite integral will be the integrand with this function inputted in place of the variable, in this case t. So once we input x squared in for t, don't forget about the chain rule. The derivative of x squared is 2x. So that's it. We have 2x times e to the power of x squared, which is x to the 4th. And that's how we get our choice C. Recall that what the second fundamental theorem of calculus tells us is that if you take the derivative of the antiderivative, the answer is the function f evaluated at that function u and then multiplied by u prime. And that's exactly what happened with this problem. The derivative of this definite integral is this function evaluated with an input of x squared times the derivative of x squared.